Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. It is August the 7th, 2019. It's been 1 year and 1 week since we got started with the Red Wigglers in the Worm Factory 360. And if you're new, this top tray was on bottom. Put it on top so that the worms could finish up what's in here and try to migrate down to the food. Looks still a few worms in there. Several right there together. Just gonna kind of aerate that a little bit. Smells nice and earthy. But they're still working through some food apparently. Don't see any cocoons right off the bat. Middle tray here. Been feeding coffee grounds and filters. Looks like they're working through it nicely. Worms are just kind of scattered throughout. There's a filter there. Looking to see if there was any cocoons on it. I have not been finding too many cocoons in the Worm Factory 360 like we used to. I did separate some of the worms out of it, so I know it's not overcrowded. Another filter there. Little red wiggler. Yeah, there's a tiny one there. So they're obviously reproducing still. Camera shy. Yeah, there's still some coffee grounds on there. Alright. And the bottom tray, got plenty of castings on top. Like there's still plenty of cardboard shredded up. Seeing a few worms here and there. And the bottom is dry. A few worms on the ladder like usual. But no leachate, which is a good thing. Go ahead and check our main bin here. We had the watermelon over on peels over here on this side. There weren't rinds. There's a bunch of worms, but I don't see any watermelon left. A nice little group there. I think they have worn it out. That's all that's left. A little bit of skin. Well, I'm definitely gonna have to feed. There's a potato that ain't breaking down yet. Yep, they're just kind of scattered around looking for something else to eat, I guess. Watermelon is gone. Bunch of worms in there. Alright, for this bin, I've got a little hole wallered out. And I've got some blended up cucumber ends, potato peels, a few other little vegetable scraps. And pour that clump right down in there like that. Just gonna flatten it out and I'm gonna cover it up. See if we can't get us a worm ball for next week. Got a little hole dug out on the second or middle tray for the worm factory. It's the one we've been feeding coffee grounds in. Little food in there for them. Cover that up. I've got a bait cup made up for this bin that's mainly castings. Still got a little bit of food and bedding in it. And worms. I'm just going to pile that up around that bait cup. And our bin that is mainly castings that I don't think there's very many, if any, worms in. I'm going to go ahead and put a bait cup in that. See if we can't get any worms out of it for next week. I really don't think there's many left. There might be some. We're going to find out.
Just a quick little update. Hopefully next week we'll have some worm balls. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Till next time, have a great day.